every time I me watch one show and Jamaicans India, I hear the accent, I want to boof with somebody where India talk. All the director she him, I want to boof him.
From a Dan B, everything Chris. Make sure you no miss this. Laugh and have a good time. All our vibes. I didn't be this. Dan B share happiness. Or we can discuss serious topics. Like, comment, subscribe. All our vibes. You need it. It's the Dan B.
Fly like a butterfly, sting like a bee, believe in you and grow as a tree. This is Donnai back with another video entitled Unpopular. My unpopular opinions. I asked around for some opinions. I got about less than 5. So I'm gonna share them with you and then I'm gonna talk about my opinions, alright? What's up, y'all? It's been a long time I haven't shared with you all, like be in front of the camera and talk. And did you know, no, this sound like I'm gonna talk about one opinion. Did you know that doing YouTube for me is like a talk therapy? Come I love chat to myself. I may chat to myself right now. But yeah, it relieves what I want to talk about. And my content might not be for everybody, but me sure know so I do it for myself. And what I do right now, I love it because me just a chat. Me a chat to you. Let's go. So the first one that we're gonna talk about, as we say, we're gonna talk about I'm gonna share with you the opinions of others first. And then I'm gonna talk about my unpopular. Why me can't get that? My unpopular opinions. So somebody say, let's see if we can put it. Oh, let's Sharma Levy says pizza tastes way better with pineapple. I believe so. Well, way better. The way she say way better, like yeah, nice, you know, but way better. I feel like I'm limited with pizzas because the only pizza we may eat or I've eaten is the Hawaiian, which is the pineapple one, the pepperoni, the cheese, one meatball something, and the vegetable, the one for vegetarian. That's all. And I feel like you can create your own, you can add all sorts of something on your pizzas. And I feel like I want to try that one. But yeah, I agree with you to some extent. But not so way. But I respect it. Nine says good men should be spoiled. Period. Hello. This link to one of my opinions, which is, what did it say again? Good men should be pampered. Yeah. But she said good men. I feel like men overall should be pampered, should be loved, because I know someone might question it, but I would generalize it to good men. I mean men overall, because there must be a root of the problem why men, the bad men, are like that. Same like women. Some women go through some terrible trauma, some hurt, where them feel very vindictive, where men are concerned, or other things when them to certain things they trigger them off. So I feel like men in general, of course, should be pampered, should be spoiled, should be loved. Yeah, I like every time I see a post with where a woman is treating her man with good, treatment, like, and is not forced, like, feel I wonder, say, oh, I wonder if them do other things behind camera, like it's true, it's genuine, you understand? Yeah. Kisses to my man, like, my love, yo, watch you, alright, done, can't bother. Next one. Ken Sanif says, Andrew, Techno Vaccine. Alright. As I said, them something, I'm going to get this in a March. This is March 24th, by the way, where I screenshot these responses. So, mind me with these comments. Yeah. So, Andrew, Techno Vaccine, like, I hear him that talk about it, like he must say, people are spread rumors saying Techno Vaccine, and he must say, no, him take it, it's just the way all the niggas set and but whatever, like, me not really care if you want to take it, him take it. But yeah. What else does someone here say? That education brings wealth. Yeah. And this come with another my unpopular opinion too, where my dad say education should be free, like not depending on the level, like it should be free overall because probably not probably because some people got them all got them. What would I say? Alright, for example, if somebody just get up out of them sleep and just get a whole vision, right? And them go out do them experiment and so probably the way if we credit that person or if we thank that person they have to like share the knowledge and make the people them pay. Probably that's why college come in or education come in where you have to pay well because why would you pay for knowledge? Why? It shouldn't be paid for. You understand what I say? Like me, if somebody willingly want to learn from me about something with me have, me willing to take a class right now and share because knowledge should be shared. Like, where you keep it fit to yourself, where you get fit when you keep it to yourself. Me understand? So, yeah, I agree. Education really brings wealth. You understand? Somebody said pineapple doesn't belong on pizza. I remember my dad talk about the pizza. Yeah, like, but did I say no? It's not like a way better thing, but it's nice, girl. Lorian, so Lori, yeah, it's nice, man. I mean, yeah, you're people. Why me I do this? But we can't understand why should I say pineapple not supposed to depend because pineapple is considered as a fruit and pizza hot up pizza put after something on pizza it going in the oven. Why pineapple of all things going to go in the oven, miss? Probably that's why she feels or why other people might think like that. Alright, so I don't have any more from the others. So I'm gonna talk about mine. That's something there. My one say no, Jamaica little bit enough. We are creatives, we are black people, we are Jamaicans. It hurt me for no say America are one next country. I do something and we gonna grab with it. Like it's okay to take it, but like use up your nice Jamaicanism something in then yeah, why you gotta just. But it all boils down to the government because the government, every little thing America do, we gone back, I follow back like a pee cluck cluck. Like when the little chicken them follow them fall mother, them mother so we be need for the better man. But aside from anyways, Jamaica needs its own little bill and Dora the Explorer. I can't stop preach about this. We too talent for continue or for promote or for support Americanized. We still talk about Americanism if something goes so. Like we have so many not even animators them name. The people them recreate cartoon and them so boy, girl, woman. There's so many things I would want my country to do and to be at a place where we can look back and say, yeah. And say if we create cartoons, it would be so funny. It would be so fun. Look, like, we always hear about even the folklores or Jamaican folklores. We can use that make all a bad film story with some nice cartoon characters in there. You have River Mama there, they swim out hell, and you see some little pitney walk through the river road, and them see the hey, right now imagination a pop. Like little pitney see the River Mama and I say, yo, like literally the part what coming, because this is another one. Why when we what would I say? A depict showcase. Why when we use what country or what culture in our film, why we are gonna take somebody we don't know nothing from Jamaica or don't know with language or with accent, put it in the film like say sir, that is not how we speak. Mate, that is not how we speak. I say, well, every time I watch one show, and Jamaicans in there, I hear the accent, I want to boof with somebody where in there talk. All the director, I want to boof him. Come here and say, sir, really? Moving right along, coming on one video along. But yeah, we need a little Bill and we need a little Dora the Explorer. Right now, we wouldn't even call for one Dora the Explorer. We'll probably call it one little, probably Tom and Palm. I don't know. Coloring book is a form of relaxation. I don't know, let me say not coloring book, but coloring is a form of relaxation. You see, guys, when I was younger, my mother did stock me up with books because I love read. Love it. Right now, I have a lot of books. Same way, my little kiddie book, same way there. And she did always go to stationery and buy me coloring books. And I made I color between lines, you know. I not go over no lines, you know. I did love coloring. And I feel like when I color, it really relaxes my mind. And right now, when I talk about it, I'm going to buy one book. I see them do the whole app thing where them buy the it's like a game where them put the number 2 and the color black is 2 and you click black and it. No, I don't want to touch nothing for color, nothing. I want to do it myself, you girl. But yeah, I feel like it's my form of relaxation. And I gravitate to with the ASMR them where YouTube I do. Like when I go to my bed sometimes, I realize I really can't sleep. I really want to relax and go to my bed. Like literally, you girl, you need to sleep. Them way there. Me that gone for my little earphone and so. I'm going to try play the triggering one them. Look a nice one. Yeah. Nice, man. Creamy ice cream is not it. Point blank period. Me not laugh, me not ask. What is that? What did mother buy me? She buy 2. She buy the cookie and cream. And the bag, the ice cream cake. Not even the cardboard looking something with the round the lining of the ice cream tastes good. What is that? Devon House straight. Me not ask nobody. Devon House need for them at every parish if it's not there already. And Devon House need for hey. Creamy. Crazy Jim call you. Yeah, I'm not laugh. Clara advertisement is overrated. Hello, me miss Clara. Clara. Yo, Clara, hey, it's part of that. Big up. But I'm missing them. Alright. Getting a trade or skill should be top priority. I'm not ask nobody. If you don't want to go to college, don't do it. Get a trade. Right now, hot should have been a best friend. When Corona done, on the certificate, on the resume, should have up the tea. Because, you see me? Get a trade, man. Whether it's mechanic, whether building, whether get a skill, get experience, go out there, do practical things. Yeah, it's a win right now. Them not really, some places where you go, them not need no certificate. Them not want to say, oh, you did this where and there and here and there. No. Them want to know, say, what? My girl go farm and what? My girl know for the able computer. What? My girl know how to attend room at what? Like, yeah, if you know if you have a family and the family member have a business, you see me? If them don't want to hire you, be right beside them, be clock all of that duck. The right side of them and pray out the thing like, yeah. And be willing to learn, because if you're not willing to learn, you're not going nowhere in this world. And to say technology I do the thing now, yeah. Next thing, I think this is my last one. Simplicity is the best clothes wear. Fashion now wear for me. Fashion now wear. Right now you just need a black shirt, one nice pants, it not for cut up, not for nothing. One nice black pants. You might have your watch on so. And you're gonna Hey, not nice like that when me see some men with them clothes just like that. Like you don't need no more. And for the ladies, a nice little dress, you know, like a hang over bag, I see them call it. A nice little slippers and you're gonna load, gonna lead. Yeah. Like, I fall in love when me see people dressed in a simple way, a simple form. Like, you know, just, like, it not too much. You just dress and you look modest and you look nice. Love enough for that, yeah. I fall in love with them when I see them with some of them. We don't need so many call centers in Jamaica, or probably call center workers in Jamaica. We don't need so much. One in each parish is enough. Not even parish, I cannot all of 14. We not even need all 14. You don't need so much. What them for? That's the only skill you can get for just answer phone and have customer service. You can't get something else. You understand? Like, call center not really, you don't need, Jamaica don't need so much call center workers. Alright, that's not the only thing you can apply for. The government needs to stop dwell upon that, like, oh my god. It burned me, man. Anyways, that's the last. I think that's it. I think that's it. But thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Donnai. Remember to fly like a butterfly and sting like Donnai. A joke. Sting like a bee. Believe in you, that is yourself, and grow as a tree. It's me signing out. Bye.